Learn which ones are the best gaming PC cases for cooling, aesthetics, and easy building. Find the top choices. Check it out in today's video. More details are in the description. 10th place, Cooler Master MasterBox Micro-ATX case. Best for small builds and flexibility. A compact utilitarian choice that maximizes flexibility in a small footprint. It's an attractive option if you need a space-saving case for a home office or living room build that still supports decent cooling and an ATX-style PSU. 9th place, MUSETEX Y6 Mid-Tower ATX Gaming Case. Great small form ATX showcase on a budget. A value-oriented mid-tower that punches above its weight visually, thanks to wide tempered glass coverage and support for sizable cooling hardware. It's intended for builders who want a compact showcase case without the LIAN price tag. 8th place, MUSETEX K2 ARGB Mid-Tower Case. Great value with strong pre-installed cooling. Aims to undercut bigger brands by bundling lots of cooling hardware and visual features into an affordable mid-tower. It is targeted at builders who want immediate RGB flare and strong airflow without paying premium prices. 7th place, Montech X 3-Mesh High Airflow Case. Best for budget-focused, high airflow builds. Aimed at people who want the best thermal performance for the price. With a mesh front, multiple fan mounts, and 6 included fans, it's optimized for cool, quiet operation under load without a premium price tag. 6th place, CORSAIR ARGB Mid-Tower Case. Balanced build quality and lighting control. This mid-tower targets builders who want a polished, show-ready build without compromising practicality. The 3500X pairs wraparound tempered glass with multiple mounting options, so you can balance cooling and aesthetics depending on your component choices. 5th place, NZXT H6 Flow RGB Mid-Tower Case. Best for white-themed showcase builds. Clearly aimed at builders who want a strong visual presentation without losing thermal performance. The design emphasizes GPU cooling by giving front intake and internal layout priority, while panoramic glass panels provide a near unobstructed view of your components. 4th place, LIAN LANCOOL Compact ATX Case. Best compact ATX with premium airflow. Takes the small ATX concept and refines it. Better airflow, thoughtful internal routing, and premium fit and finish. The case is designed to give you high-end cooling and elegance in a relatively compact chassis. 3rd place, CORSAIR RS Frame High Airflow Case. Best for modular customization and airflow. Engineered for builders who want a case that can evolve. Its modular frame mounting approach means you can swap panels, upgrade the tray, or customize I/O as your build demands change over time. 2nd place, Antec Flux Pro Full Tower E-ATX Case. Top-tier airflow and premium styling. Antec's flagship full tower that prioritizes thermal performance and premium materials. It's designed for builders who want an eye-catching case with real cooling muscle and features that simplify both air and liquid-cooled high-performance systems. 1st place, ASUS ROG Strix Helios White Edition. Best for premium showcase and expandability. Targeted at enthusiasts who want a statement PC that also supports serious hardware. It blends heavy-duty construction, aluminum frame, with show-focused extras like integrated lighting and multiple tempered glass surfaces. See you in the next video here on illustraTop. Don't forget to check out the links to all the products in the description.